Putting up a camera.
What?
It said putting up a camera.
Are we filming?
Mm-hmm.
For all you young bucks out there, how not to put up a camera. But I was fortunate enough to not grow up in snowflake land. So sometimes you just get hurt. You fall and bust your ass. And you get back up, and bust your ass again and get back up, and eventually you'll figure it out. Ain't that right, baby?
Oh, yeah.
What are we doing? What are we doing first?
I wonder if it's better on the other side. Hold on.
Huh?
I'm going to go on the other side, see if I have a better view.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Hey, Eric. I got Leslie. You're our emergency contact. Hopefully I don't bust my ass. She's coming to you. I'm feeling secure. You film the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not
Matter of
so
fact, I'm not feeling secure.
Wow.
All right. This is for all you snowflake kids that say, I can't. You can. You just go do. Figure it out as you go.
Has to go over to the farther on the other side.
Won't you shut up? That's another thing, our generation. Keep control of your women.
You're such a jerk.
Okay, there. Anything I don't... There?
Yeah, that.
Anything I don't see both sides?
Yeah, I think so. I'd.
Really? Come on, get in there. I'm not feeling comfortable. However, feeling comfortable is a luxury, kids. You don't always have to...
Oh my goodness.
Let me screw.
You really don't have any?
I don't think so.
You had them all in your pocket.
Well, I normally have an assistant, but she's playing around with the camera. Tell me one. Were you literally going to launch the whole handful up here? Something wrong with you. Try that again. Oh! I got it.
Yes, you did.
You know, next time we're just going to bring the excavator back and do it like we used to.
That would be the smartest idea.
Is that looking level?
I'm standing off to the side. It looks level to me, but
Level enough. Really? All right. Baby. I'm not, you're going to have to pause that camera. You're going to have to hand me stuff. I can't get up and down here. We're out. Peace.